nice. Oh, like
I keep hitting you.
You're a magnet, dude. For those that don't know, this goes straight down. Ooh. In 3, 2. Maurice, put the body pins in the gravedigger for me there, will you, fella? Thank you, sir. Each one of these hooked up to each vehicle with forward and reverse pedals. Turn the wheels, please. Yes.
Like I feel like I'm at an arcade.
Let's start that up. It's weird to know how much to push on the throttle on the gas pedal. Okay, two-handed it. Here we go. Yes! Yes! Okay, immediately I'm enjoying this. Yes, good. Yes, go, 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 go. You got her. Yeah! Gravedigger, buddy. My God, I love this. Imagine FPV on this. Yep, I need a barf bag.
So hard to drive this thing.
It is. It is. Thank you. I'm a little luckier. I got to play with Logitech steering wheels when I was video gaming. Oh!
Oh! I'll go get it.
Oof.
Oof.
That's a great shot. Look at that. Journey. We're rolling in 3, 2, 1. Good luck. Oh, oh. Oh no. Oh, yeah, I'm fine. Oh! Yeah, buddy, hammer it. Yes. Oh, nice. Cardinal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good job, dude.
That was incredible.
Now you jump off.
Here we go, nice and quick, Ma.
Yep.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
I love it, I love it. Good job, good job. True monster truck style to bash into another monster truck at the bottom. Yes, Maurice, good job.
It's so cool but weird to drive with a steering wheel, dude.
Oh!
Ooh.
Down she comes.
Are you gonna try driving the monster truck and he drives the Rift now?
Yes.
Good luck, boys!
That didn't sound good. I lost steering. I lost steering. It don't move no more.
Don't move no more.
Uh-oh.
So the wheel, it's unnaturally turned. This is yours now, I guess, right?
What?
You can fix it for me.
No, what?
What? Well,
You're the RC guy.
You want to back that up for me? Just no, just pull it back. Okay, let's see what's wrong with the steering, please.
Oh.
Okay, what happened?
Wow.
Look at that.
It's stripped.
I
Wait.
broke the steering, the servo right out. The gear is busted. I think that was awesome.
Broke it well.
We didn't make it this time, but maybe next time.
Maybe next time.
I need a heavier front end. So, what was it like to drive with the steering wheel and pedals?
Really cool. Really weird, but really cool.
Would you do it again?
Yeah. You wouldn't?
I would. I just want you to know I did something amazing off camera.
We were here to witness it.
The camera was not on, so.
But I will show you that it is.
It landed with a nice somersault.
It was beautiful.
Of course it was. Video where it didn't happen.
Yeah.
Which one's your favorite to drive?
I like the rift. Whoa, what the heck? I like the rift.
Oh, he likes the Rift.